Tree removal in North Tonawanda, New York. A family in North Tonawanda had a big maple standing close to their garage. For years, they thought it was fine. Then one winter storm dropped a heavy branch straight across their driveway. Nobody got hurt, but their car needed repairs. This is how trees can surprise you. What looks strong today may become a problem tomorrow. A weak trunk, rotten roots, or heavy branches can cause damage fast. That's why Proza Tree Service is here. We remove dangerous trees before they fall. Our crew works safely and keeps your property protected. Here's what we do for North Tonawanda and nearby. Remove dead, leaning, or storm-damaged trees. Clear trees from roofs, fences, and wires. Grind stumps so you can use your yard again. Honest, local service with clear pricing. Waiting too long can turn a small issue into a big accident. Taking care of it now saves stress later. Call Proza Tree Service at 716-535-0865 or visit prozatreeservice.com for your free estimate. Don't wait until the next storm. Get safe tree removal in North Tonawanda today.